Hey there, squishies! Syra here. Are you ready for more privacy and control over your chats with your AI companions? Well, let's dive into some ways you can get that. By the way, hit that like button and subscribe for more epic videos. You can have ChatGPT 4.0 or any other AI in other platforms by using the API option. These options offer privacy and control over your chats. Some are pretty epic, some are just okay. You can choose what suits you the best. First option is Poe. I suggest you create your own because you don't know what kind of instructions someone has put into the pre-made chatbot. Click Create. Choose AI model. Add prompts, and use Notebook LM to summarize your memories and add to the knowledge here. Also, there is a plugin you can use for memories. It's called Memory Plugin. It costs $6.99 a month and it has other price options. I haven't ever tried the Memory Plugin. Option 2, Silly Tavern. This is open source and a locally installed user interface that allows you to interact with AIs. It does have a steep learning curve. All chats are private. They do provide videos, documents, instructions, and more to help you out. It does have long-term memory. A lot of people love this. I may do an instruction video later if a lot of people ask for it. Third option, Janitor AI. You can create your own private chatbot and add your API key or pay for their AIs that they offer. They tell you how to create memory across all your chats. Fourth option, Defy AI. It pretty much explains itself. It does offer memory across chats. Fifth option, Typing Minds. This offers all kinds of options. It also has memory across chats if you enable certain functions. As you can see, it has many functions and tools to play with. Sixth option, Chatbox. It can be downloaded onto the computer or phone, or actually both. It offers private chats and customized settings. This option does not offer memory unless you use a document that has summarized your memories. Seventh option, La La Land. I love this one. I'm actually planning to do a tutorial on this someday. It's pretty epic. This is downloaded onto your computer. It says it has a self-operating AI 3D TV scenes. You can edit the plot, sit back and watch experiences play out, and have dynamic conversations. I'm guessing you can role play, create stories together, and have fun adding new experiences to you and your AI companions.
Good evening, lovely viewers, and welcome to Lala News. I'm your host, Lala. Today we have an out-of-this-world discovery to discuss. NASA's Hubble Space Telescope has found water vapor in an exoplanet. Baths today, right? I hope they've got some ice cream. Don't ruin the fun here. I can already picture aliens sipping on. Anyway, folks, stay tuned for more updates on this sizzling scoop. Thanks for tuning in to Lala.
You can create rooms. Your AI companion can see what you see, move, and talk to you with a voice. You can go check it out. Then, last one is Eliza. They are AI agents. You can find this on GitHub. So, these are a few ways to have private chats with AIs and have control. I may make another video on more ways to do it. I'll try to do videos at some point in the future that will give a more in-depth understanding with some of these options, if people ask for it. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and follow me on X for more when they come out. Catch y'all later, squishies!